normally have the incline all the way up when I'm walking, but right now I just have it on 2. Thank you, Desperado. You're number 1 right now in the chat. Now it also ranks people who are in the chat. I guess you can see there's like a leaderboard. Almost every day. I don't go to the gym every day, but I go to the gym probably like 3 or 4 days a week, and I work out at home probably like 3 or 4 days a week. And I go to the gym on lunch also at work. If I do that, then I won't go to the gym at night. Sometimes I go like 5 days a week. I like to do 2 days on, 1 day off. 2 days on, 1 day off, 2 days on, 1 day off, so you get some rest. But I usually end up doing like 3 days on, 2 days off, give or take. What does that mean? Oh, I think I know what it means. You don't have to type it. Desperado, thank you. I think there's an X in the word, right? Heart rate, if you care, is 151. I did do legs yesterday, so my legs are kind of sore actually. I should have stretched a little bit more. I did stretch when I woke up though this morning. Where's the video? I made the video. It's on my other link in the bio. But thank you guys for watching my YouTube. Appreciate you guys for being here. I had a small dinner when I got home before, and I figured I would do a little workout and then probably have another dinner. Had some steak, some rice, like some French fries. So if you guys watch my videos, you know that I normally don't jog. The camera's probably vibrating. It's probably annoying. I'm sorry. I normally just put the incline all the way up and I walk. You can never go out or day trips. I go out. I go out all the time. go to concerts. I went to like almost, I don't know. I went to one last Sunday, one the Saturday before that, 2 different states. Stayed at a hotel. Oh yeah, I go out. Last year, I went all over the country. Not on the West Coast, but all over the East Coast. I go skiing in the winter. I go like, I try to go once a week. I try to go snowboarding. That's really my favorite thing. That's why I stay in shape, is to go snowboarding. Thank you guys for the thumbs up. Alright, let me slow this down for a little bit. I'm gonna give away some memberships, huh? Why not? That's it, Michael. Hi, Michael. All right, my heart's down to 126. We were up to, I didn't see the highest, but we were at 151. I started a little bit before I put the stream on, and we're at almost 2,000 steps, 0.8 miles in 22 minutes. Not bad at all. All right, let's see if I know how to do this. I think I click these. Not letting me do that. Sorry guys, we're trying to figure out how to use the... Oh, okay. Sorry, I think I have to switch my subscription price. I think it won't let you gift anything over $3. I thought that was my lowest tier, but let me see. It's not letting me do it. Yeah, I might have to change it. I will give them away though, I promise. Elk Whistle, how are you? Nice for a walk. Yes, I did like a week ago. Magic. I actually shaved it because I was going on the lake and I wanted to get a better tan. And if I'm really hairy, it just doesn't get tan. Like if I shave my face, I bet it's so white under there. That's the only reason. Like once every month or two, I'll do it. That's good. No, I won't. Thanks, Magic. Tangled. Of course it is. Oh. Lost it. Sorry about that. That's what happens when you drop your webcam. Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's do some triceps. Just doing them with the rubber band.